Fluidmaster to the rescue.
Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to change out this filler. I think I put that in about 4 years ago, and to make it simple, I bought a replacement that's identical. That way I can dial in everything the same way. And what I've already done here is I've turned off that valve, flushed it, got as much water out of the tank as possible, and then I'm going to use a big sponge right here to soak out the rest, and then that way when I undo that connection right there, not much will come out, but I'll put this little tub here to catch the rest of it. Okay, so I got that in there. The flapper's fine. I didn't get a new flapper. I'll wait till I see that leaking. The problem was that the filler was just slow. Hoping this will speed things up again. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to turn this valve back on. And yeah, good. It's actually, I can tell that's faster than the other one. So last thing I'll do is once I dry this all up, I'll check for leaks. Pretty simple. All done in probably less than 5 minutes. I must say, this little booklet has probably the best instructions I've seen anywhere. Not only are there color photos and it's written well and simple, but the font is quite big, quite large, so I don't need my glasses. So I really appreciate that. And they're encouraging too. Yay.